How to brew install a formula using local copy of source instead of the formula's URL. I'd like to install a formula using a local copy, put in the homebrew caches, instead of trying to download the URL. In the case where the formula's URL is not reachable from the device. How to use curl behind a McAfee web gateway. The Homebrew wiki has information on installing an arbitrary URL, but I didn't see anything about applying an existing formula to a local source.
If this is an infrequent problem limited to some domains, then you can edit the formula to specify a file URL. Your wiki link is broken, so not sure if this is what you have already discovered.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.